is from Haryana, where the BJP government has won the Haryana trust vote. Now, BJP has won the motion through voice vote. In fact, JJP MLA, some of them had skipped that floor test, and we are getting to know that the BJP government has won the Haryana trust vote. Now, Amandeep, my colleague, is joining us from the Haryana Assembly. He's been reporting on all the events related to this trust vote right from the morning today. Amandeep, BJP government has won the Haryana trust vote. That's not really come as a surprise. But what was the number? Do we know by now by how much, how many numbers did the BJP manage to win this trust vote in Haryana?
Well, this entire voting system was done through the voice votes, and when the voting is conducted by the voice votes, exact numbers cannot come out. But yet, yes, the BJP got the majority, and even Speaker stamped that after conducting the voting inside the House, and finally he has declared that BJP has gained the trust vote, has won the trust vote, which was brought by the BJP themselves. And in fact, on the other side, the Congress was demanding for the secret ballot vote for this trust vote, but Speaker has denied the plea of Congress MLAs, including Leader of Opposition Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Meanwhile, 5 JJP MLAs who were present in the premises of Vidhan Sabha but remain missing during the floor test on this confidence motion. So the entire process and entire exercise is being done after almost 3 hours of discussion on the trust vote.
Yes. Absolutely, and it's big news, of course, coming in that Saini has won the trust vote. Amandeep, stay with us. Let's also listen into what happened, at the time when the voice vote was conducted and how the BJP government won that trust vote.
सभी महान सदन से, महान सदस्यों से, और आप देखना, मैंने कहा है, मैं वहां भी स्थिति खराब है वहां भी स्थिति खराब है। मैं देख के आया हूं, मैं ग्राउंड पे रहा हूं, वहां पर हाथ खड़ा किया, मुझे खुशी हुई उस बात की। और फिर एक और बात कही आगे, हमारी बहन कह रही हैं कि क्या किया है।
व्यक्त करता है जो इस प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में है वो कृपया हाँ कहें, जो इस प्रस्ताव के विपक्ष में है। यौन उत्पीड़न के मामले में वर्ष 2005 से 2023 की अवधि के लिए सदन की
राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर राष्ट्रपति जी तक, मुख्यमंत्री जी तक, हर जगह पर ये मामला उछला। बहुत ही